Hi, Panthers. These are the day one directions for the Analyzing Media Messages lesson that you're working on. Our objective for this lesson is that students will determine the purpose of media messages while analyzing techniques and characteristics of a variety of primary source documents from the abolition and suffrage movements. This particular lesson is different from the other lessons we've done this school year because it's not in Google Docs, it's in Google Slides. So to access this lesson, to click on different parts of it, it's a little bit different of a setup, and I'll explain that with you today. This is a 2-day lesson, so please only do part 1 today so that you have an assignment to do left free to do tomorrow. Just a quick note, and this is the same for all lessons. If you need help with the lesson or you're confused, please see your teacher during language arts office hours. Okay, the first step in this lesson is to learn what a media message is. And this slide here, this little video here, will explain that to you. It'll tell you what a media message is, the different formats that they can come in, and how to kind of look at them critically so that you can analyze them and make sense of them. The second video here is basically going to have a teacher talk you through how to pull out the important information from a poster, in this case, or a different type of media message. And she's going to show you some useful strategies that'll help you kind of break down different types of media messages. After you're done watching those 2 videos, the next thing we want you to do is to choose a message. There's a variety of messages here from the abolition movement, the suffrage movement, and modern day media. And within the modern day media section, there's also some science related videos that have to do with keeping the environment clean or recycling, which I know you guys are learning about in science this week. So feel free to choose from any of these. What we do want you to pay attention to is the type of media message that you're choosing. The blue media messages are print messages. The green are photo messages. The red are posters. The C is political cartoons. And V is video. So we'd like you to look at all of these types of messages so you know what the different types of messages are. And we want you to choose at least one message each day. To choose the message, you click on the name of it and then open the link. Okay, so it's in your best interest to kind of look around on here and pick a message that you're comfortable analyzing, and really make a good choice, especially on your first try here. You want to pick something that you'll be able to answer some questions about. Some of the media messages are more difficult than others, so pick one you're comfortable working with. After you choose a message, you have to find your guide. So let's say that I chose the Am I Not a Man and a Brother political cartoon. On the next slide, I'm going to click on the cartoon analysis. When I click on that, it's going to take me to the cartoon analysis link. Okay, another way to get to that is to just scroll down to slide 9. Right, I can use my slide bar over here and click on slide 9, and there's my cartoon analysis. So the name of the cartoon that I picked was Am I Not a Brother? So I'm just gonna, am I not a brother and a man, right? So I just type in the title there, and then I'm going to answer all these analysis questions. Let's say that I picked a different type of media message. I'm going to go through the same process. Let's say I picked a print thing called the call to organize. I'm going to click on that message. It's going to open in another tab, right? So here's the document that I'm analyzing. Okay, and I can cycle through the pages here. I can zoom in or zoom out so that I can read the message. And then since it's a print document, I'm going to go to the next slide, and I need slide 6. So I'm going to go down to slide 6, and I'm going to answer the questions for the print document analysis. Okay, so again, we want you to do that for at least one message per day. Choose a message, complete the guide. And if you'd like to do more than one in a day, feel free, right? There are 5 different types of messages here. Try to, if you'd like to do one of each, you can. If you're nervous or you need a little bit more direction, there is a sample video that you can watch as well. It'll be posted right under the day one instructions box right here for you. When you're finished, there's no need to turn this assignment in because you're going to be working on it again tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll watch the day 2 instructions, and when you're finished with that, then you'll turn in your assignment to your teachers. Hope this video helped you understand what to do today, and have a great time looking at the various media messages. Come see your teacher at office hours if you've got questions. Take care.